Hello friends, my name is Naresh Kumar Mahato and I come from Guwahati, Assam, which is the northeastern part of India. So actually I have to come YouTube in front of the public, and the reason is that I have seen many peoples like me, my friends, they have some kind of problems. They are not living their life to their fullest, full-fledgedly. And the problem is lying not anywhere, with them only, and they're not realizing it. So this is the problem. Now who is going to help them? I realized, but like me, many are there who are still they are suffering, but they don't not realizing that they are suffering. They don't know what is happening with them. They feel that it is normal. They have considered this abnormal as a normal, but it's not that. They can overcome this challenges, and everybody can do. The problem is that we all people are living our life. We have expectations, dreams. We want to achieve lot of things in life, many things, but we are not achieving those things. We are not happy with what we are having. I'm not saying that we should not expect more. We should expect very good, but what we are happy, we should not take it for granted. We should thank them. We should have a gratitude feeling towards those things, those resources, whatever we are having, whether it may be any kind of resources, whether it is financial or social or family, or whatever you are having, your life, your mom, dad, anything. So these are the things. Whatever we are having, we are taking for granted, and for this reason what we are not utilizing those resources. You are at home living with all good furnitures. There are many who are not having a home. You are financially strong, but there are many who are not. They are on the road. You are able to sleep sound sleep, but there are many who suffer when rain comes in between at midnight. So why we are not taking it seriously, those things? Let's take a pledge that early morning, whenever we wake up, as soon as we wake up, at that time, we'll pray to Lord and we'll thank Him that, oh Lord, thank you so much for whatever you have given me in my life, whether it is my parents or job or financial status or social status or house or your food, the air you breathe, everything. Thank Him that you have sent Him on this earth and given so many things to survive on this earth. Let's thank Him and start our day with this. We will take a pledge for 2 minutes and thank Lord as soon as we wake up. If we do this, our day will be very happy. At least less worries will be there. Definitely we are already burdened with lot of problems, lot of works, but before we start our day, we will start with this prayer, with this gratitude. We will thank Lord for whatever you have given me. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody.